and welcome to my to my fourth blender tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to colour the snowman we made in the previous one. Now, first thing we do is if you haven't watched my last video, go and watch it. Title card up there somewhere, and or previous videos, that's fine. So other than that, yep, it's good. So let's jump into it. First, do you see my mouse pointer? We want to do it here, and we want to just widen the window here, and we want to go on material, and we press new. And this material, what should we name it? We should name it Snow, because if I select this, no, right, I don't want this. No, we name this colo, and we go and add. And what we have to do, to get it to black, we have to go on diffuse and drag it all the way down until all those numbers are 0. Now we've got that, we can put this down and it's black. See, it's coloured. And then we do new. Wait. And then we do colo. See? We use colo. And then we do the same to this one. And use colo. And what we need to do now is we need to create a new material. Snow. Luckily for us, it's already right. So I'm going to select this. Snow. And that's about done. Now if you select this and I select this, and we can do brown. So this is going to be stick. We call it stick. We kind of get a brownish colour. It should be about here-ish. And then you just darken it down a bit like that. Yeah. Now we've got stick. We can also do this stick, and that's done. And we also do the eyes, which is colo and colo. Then for the nose, we can add new material, carrot, and then diffuse, kind of around here-ish. That's a good colour, and we can, that's cool. And now we create a new material called hat. And that is kind of dark green. That's a good colour. Now we've done that, don't forget to save. And now that's pretty much it. Now what you can so let's render it, see what it looks like. You can see it, and that's pretty much it. It's shorter than most, but it's what we need to get done. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to extrude objects in Blender. So now what we need to do is, now we've all just, I hope you enjoyed this, and goodbye.